In this video I'm going to show you how to download, install and play the game Pizza Tower on your PC. So if you buy games at Steam, it can get really expensive, especially the latest ones, plus downloading from random websites can lead to viruses, and nobody wants that. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to find this game without overspending and keeping your PC safe. So the first step is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Once you have done that, we need to locate this game on Steam first before we can proceed to another website to download it. So go to Steam and search for the game. In the search bar type in Pizza Tower. Select the game and scroll a little bit down. As you can see, this game is available for €19.50 on Steam. But we got a little workaround. Please follow these steps to be set up within a couple of minutes. So what you need to do is open the video description, click on the link where it says find game here, and you will be redirected to this website. Once you are there, you will type in the same game, Pizza Tower, and search for it. Now the next step is to select games on the left side. After that, sort by price lowest first. And once you have done that, you will find these games. So we would like to download it on our PC, and as you can see, this text is marked green. That is very important because it needs to be able to be activated in your country. So search for one which is marked green, and after you found one, we will click on it. And as you can see, this game is already available for just €7.66. compared to the price on Steam of €19.50. So that will save you a lot of money while downloading this game. The next step is to purchase this game on this website, and you will receive a confirmation mail with all the steps to follow and a activation key for Steam to activate this game through Steam and download it on your PC. So once you have done that, you are able to play this game on your PC, but much cheaper than through the Steam store. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!